Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to transfer domain to Shopify. Now firstly, open the Shopify website on your browser and log into your Shopify account. Now go to settings at the bottom left. Once you're in the settings, go to domains. Now here, I'm going to show you my testing domain. And I'm going to show you the instructions to transfer the domain. Now these are the step-by-step instructions to transfer the domain. Now just follow these steps to transfer the domain successfully. And if you need any further help, you can leave a comment down below. Hey, if you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.